Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this line of credit with no credit check at all, and it's guaranteed approval. It sounds untrue, right? Yes, that was my same view when I came across this opportunity, and believe me, I applied myself and I got approved for $1,750. So in this video, at first I will show you my own personal approved account, and then I will tell you each and everything how you can apply for it, because you don't need to have any sort of credit score at all. Actually, they don't even pull your credit. They just require your general information such as your address, phone number, email address. That's it, and then they will approve you for a very handsome credit limit. You can buy pretty much anything with it, so please watch this video till the end, and remember that I'm going to upload another video right after this video which will allow you to get a $15,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here is the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here in front of you, this is my own personal Zebit account. Yes, this opportunity is from Zebit, and you can see that I have a total credit limit of $1,750. Yes, and I got approved for this with no credit check, no social security number. They just required my address, my phone number, my email address. That's it, and boom, I got approved for it. I am really excited for this, and I can pretty much buy anything with this credit limit. Now I'm going to show you how this works, how you can apply for it. So please watch this video, and please take a little moment and like this video. It helps the channel grow, and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So now let's see what they have to offer and how you can apply for it. So right here, as you can see, they say that buy now and pay over 6 months. Get up to $2,500 to shop around of product on Zebit. And remember, it requires no membership fees, no hidden fees, and no FICO pull. Yes, it does not have a single penny of fee, as well as there is no membership required, and they don't check your credit score at all. They will not pull it. If they want to do it, they might want to do it a soft credit pull, but it will not restrict you. You will get approved. And remember, this is 0 APR. It means you won't have to pay a single penny in APR as well. How they make money? They make money from the merchant. So what makes you eligible for it? You have to be over 18 years of age. This is the legal age, of course, because you have to be in contract. And the second one is Zebit must be able to validate your identity, so your address, your phone number, at the same time your email address, everything. They will verify it by links or other things that they have the other ways to do that. So the third one is Zebit may verify your income or employment. I did it myself. They never verified my income. They can do that, there's no problem with it, but remember that what they're doing, I put my income right there and my employer as well, and they just approved me without asking me anything, and they approved me for $1,750, as I already told you. They have pretty good rating with Trustpilot. They have 4.7, and these are the things that you can buy. You can actually buy pretty much anything, from camera to cell phone to TV to a couch to a headphone or a gaming console. You can buy anything. So now let's see how it works, and they will tell you right here. So right here what they say, of course, you have to fill out a short application and you will be approved in minutes. They say in minutes. I got approved probably like in 30 seconds. Zebit may validate your identity or income. They may do it, but they don't do it in probably 99.9% of the cases. You have to be 18 years of age and there is no FICO score poll, means they don't check your credit score. If they want to do it, then they will do a soft credit check, but it doesn't matter how your credit is, they will approve you. So this is a great thing. So now they say, will my credit be affected? They say Zebit does not pull anything that affects your FICO score. Zebit obtains information about you from a certain specialty credit reporting agencies as part of its verification process, but this does not affect your credit score or credit FICO score. How Zebit make money? They make money from the merchants. When you buy things from the merchant, they pay them upfront, and the merchants, they pay Zebit a portion of their sell, or you can say a portion of whatever they got. So yes, that's how they make money. They don't charge a single penny from you. But the great thing about it as well, for example, if you bought anything for $1,000, then they will actually break it into 6 payments or 12 payments, whatever your feasibility is, and then you can pay it with the time with 0% fee and 0 APR. It's a great opportunity for a lot of you out there. How you can register for it and how you can apply for it, you need to click right here on the register. I'm going to paste the link below in the video description. You can go there and click on it. Then the first thing they ask you that we verify your info to prevent fraud or identity. Of course they do that, your info, and then at the same time they can get you approved for $2,500 to shop thousands of products on Zebit. Yes, they have their own store, as I showed you already. Let me just go back and show you that yes, they have their own store. You can buy anything. They get the stuff on wholesale, and then of course what they exactly do, they sell you with a retail price. So for example, if they get this watch for $300, they might sell it for $350 as a retail. But so that's how they make money, and I think it's a pretty good opportunity in this holiday season. So please apply for this, because they don't even affect your credit score. So I think it's an amazing opportunity for a lot of people out there who really need the money right now, or really want to spend some money or buy something. So keep that in mind. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. Please let me know in the comment below if you have any questions at all. I will be happy to answer. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please like this video, it helps the channel grow. So thank you so much. Before I go and I leave, I would like to tell you, first you need to put your email address and how you heard about Zebit. Of course you can click on YouTube if you want, and then of course you can go forward with it, or you can just leave it empty or click on other, and then they will ask you further information about your income, about your employer, about your address. You fill it out and then they will approve you probably in 30 seconds. That's how I got approved. Please let me know in the comment below if you got approved or not. I'll see you next video. Till then, take care.